Day in the life ti Maila zirna lampang big ngor karon daang he video ayan.
I'm not here eating garbage.
Oh, let's have a look. Ang ite, mamoy test hey time. So ipiang siya kang. Samuela. Har sa nai ni John no. So role Gracie, in the name of the Father. Action nen chula. In the name of the Father. In the name of the Father. Action nen. Hey hazirtir har berni hi. Kale saka ai rode. Saka.
Where do you try
So rode Gracie.
Let me put this quick.
Hello and welcome back, class. Today we're going to learn present perfect tense from the present tense. In the previous class, we have learned simple present tense, present continuous tense, and we have already know that simple present tense is formed by subject plus first form of verb, and present continuous is formed by subject plus V form of verb, which is am or are, plus first form of verb plus ing. And today we're gonna learn present perfect tense, and the formula will be subject plus has or have plus third form of verb, which is the past participle. But before we move on to the next chapter, I have given you assignment 2 and you have already submitted it, and we're gonna check it together. You make correction in the notebook if your answer is not correct. Okay, so let's start now. Number 1, Hey, mi te pani hi enge ti mo somewhere ti ngai ti. Au somewhere la ngai ti mo ti che. Nang today is special baby. Thak thi. Mizoram chunga zirtir tu omzong sarkar le private school zirtir tu abikin secondary school la zirtir tu te hianin tu na hianin diksha online training hi kanti vek ka kanwai hian ina hian kan omai mai lawa hemi course hi tharu course ania kan zolo chuan 70% hemi kan zir chunga course tina kan mulo chuan completion certificate kha kan dong theilawa chu kan zawaya kan tinge nge kha ngai sia screen a karonda kal zz hoki course ka complete to te ania pathum adang anoya omho chemya lokha tun thla a kan course zo tur ania course khata ringot po hian han enula hei tam meya anoya khana om thut me ni hei tyang zong hi khimi pakhat inline phe kal ringot po kini ni thum tianga ya achan chu video en turte an ronda a kan video en turte kha kan skip lokha timer a ma wang khan a mu the veka hetia enzo vek te kha angaya ni tin lekha chartur a script pakha hanron da boka khang te po kha kan chiarem ti an shat nan khan timer khan da veka skip pop kha theilawa chuwang chon en chwa vek khangaya tin en chwa vek angai na chan pakhat dang le po atopa exam ang dewin hei quiz khi kan chan tura oma khita 70% kan mulo chon course khat khi na kumlama kan ti that le angai dona chuwang chuanin ti ulukin film khurangain a hau tak ve ema hei hanin tuna hianin zirtir tu tam takte ni tinin class pa ngai line school te kal thelo ma ila kan online class pek boy ni tin ba ka hianin minti boy ve telbok ani school kal pa ngaya no pangte direct ka interaction nei pui ang tluka zirtir tu te na andu thu sam hi aom karing lawa amai ro chu he shipuya wanga online class an mani po response mu chat mu mal theilo na le signal chat lo na muna zirtir tam takte an oma chung ho po chan an thek to pan chwa vek a ommei meya lo la ringot kha an ni lo ti kha he video kal tlang hian kan lo sha tharpui le vek don ya